Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your girl Maraji, and right now I am doing a chicken noodle soup. I know a lot of people are getting sick around this time. It's October, kids are getting sick, so I'm making a homemade chicken noodle soup. So when I have my noodles on, and I got my corn mixture, I feel like chicken noodle soup is one of those things that you can just play with to see what works for you and your family, see what you like in there as far as the vegetables go, or what you don't like. So my noodles is almost done. But now I have the sorry, that's my niece in the background. When I have the medium, I usually use the big ones, but the medium will work just fine. I got the medium egg noodles. This is on my job. And I use chicken legs and chicken thighs for my chicken, for as far as the chicken noodle soup goes. Oh God. Sorry, it's my niece in the background showing me something. Yeah, I know. It hurts. I believe it. Thank your mama for that one.
My toenails came off. My pinky toe.
So I use the whole bag because I have a big family. I have kids, nieces. Yeah. So I usually make a big pot. See. So I use between 1 and 2 of these chicken broth. It doesn't really matter. It's whatever you prefer. This is the only one that I can find in the store. And I only found one, so I'm using one. Normally I use 2. And I have some of these. Cream of chicken. A lot of times I use cream of chicken and cream of mushrooms. This time I gotta find one of these, so I'm gonna, yeah, I'm gonna do a lot of seasoning. But I normally, like the big cans, I normally put 2 of the big cans in there, and I mix and match with the chicken noodle. The cream of chicken and the cream of mushrooms. I see, baby.
It burns. Pinky toenails.
This right there. And this is more like water and stuff.
Janice, no.
Okay, take a shower, baby. Let us have my family background. So don't worry about that. And right here is my seasoning. I just put it right here on my seasoning stuff. I don't do measurings, so I just put on my seasoning here, so it's easier just to dump. When I have my corn mixture and my peppers, I also have. Vegetables. I really don't like carrots. Some of my family does, but This is what I could find. So I normally do fresh or frozen, but this is what we had in the cabinet. And if you don't have to spend a lot of money, then don't. Well, baby, be careful, stop right there.
Just like nice. You had a nice.
Yeah, I have enough. I can get that over right there.
No, Janice.
Mom. Get out. Now. Get out. So, I put some cream in there. And yes, I do put the juice in there. There's nothing wrong with putting the juice in there. It actually helps with the flavoring of the chicken and soup. Please stop pounding. Thank you. I can't get your sister. That's my niece. Pounding. Well, I'm doing a video. So that's the big thing. I really actually like corn and green beans in my chicken noodle soup. But we don't have no chicken. We don't have no green beans right now. So right here I have some chicken, like a chicken cube. Okay, so I got some of that in here. I have some seasoning, salt. I have some onion powder and some garlic powder in this. And I'm also going to put some pepper in it as well. Which, if I could find some pepper. Because my sister likes to eat a lot of pepper.
Janice.
And then I add this part. And now, stop. So now I got my seasoning and stuff. I'm gonna dump it in here. Mix it out. Oh yeah, my chicken's already in here as well. I boiled my chicken and then I put it out so I can tear it apart. And this is what my chicken soup is looking like. See? And then put my noodles in there after this simmers and stuff, So. I'm in a video, thank you. I'm doing a video. So, that's my sister just woke up. That's her. So,
Yeah.
yes. Huh? That's how I make it. I may have to put more seasoning salt in it, depending on how the flavor tastes. I'm actually going to try it. And then, here's my spoon. Tastes like chicken noodle soup. Just add a little more. A little more chicken. But like, okay, the chicken cube. When you're in the hospital, they give you the chicken cube. You use that. And I use about 6 or 7 of those when I'm doing a big pop. Yeah, seasoning salt. Yeah. This is actually music. That's what it looks like. I know it says you guys before, but yeah. And then all you do is add your noodles, and that's pretty much my way of making chicken noodle soup. Except for I wish I had more of the what is it? Green beans, because I like to add green beans and corn to my chicken noodle soup. I don't like a lot of carrots. Yeah, you want to add your noodles last just because you don't want them to overcook.
I think it was 2 men trying to figure out which man was going to be the winner that day. You know, who was going to establish their manhood that day. And I'm wondering, because I think also in the book he talks about how his father was this extraordinary doc for the Great Rocky Road.
How it looks.
She's in the shower.
Yeah. I'm gonna cook some more stuff throughout the holidays, so stay tuned to my my YouTube. Click like and subscribe, and you'll see more videos uplink. Thank you.